Here are 3 seaweed recipes to help you get your daily dose of vitamins and minerals from a nutritionist. Supplements can be great, don't get me wrong, but the best way to get the majority of the nutrients that we need each day is through food. I always tell my clients you can't out-supplement a bad diet. So seaweed, specifically Gimme Seaweed, is such a great food to have in the diet because it checks a lot of the nutrient boxes, like iron, iodine, which is essential for our thyroid, calcium, B12, and potassium. So recipe number 1 is this seaweed sandwich. You basically stack a piece of seaweed in between each ingredient. It's kind of like a seaweed Big Mac in a way, if you think about it. Number 2 is seaweed trail mix. This one is really easy to make a big batch of and then have throughout the week as a snack. And you're gonna wanna top it with Brazil nuts. Don't include it in this mixture, just top it with 2. You actually only need 2, sometimes 3 Brazil nuts per day to give your thyroid all the selenium that it needs. And number 3 is bone broth miso soup. Feel free to add as many Gimme Seaweed sheets as you'd like. This is also a really great gut supporting recipe. I promise you, all of these are so easy to make. Having nutrient dense meals does not need to be complicated.